It's one of America's most beautiful places, a wonderland of geysers and forests, but beneath all that beauty lies a sleeping monster. This isn't just any volcano, it's a supervolcano, a force of nature so immense it has the power to change the world in a single day. This is the story of what would happen if the Yellowstone caldera finally woke up. First, there would be warnings. Thousands of earthquakes would shake the entire region. The ground would swell, rising by several feet as magma pushed from below. It would be like the planet itself was taking a deep final breath. Then, the eruption. It wouldn't be a mountain exploding. It would be the ground itself for 40 miles ripping open. A colossal blast, thousands of times more powerful than the world's strongest nuclear bomb, would tear through the atmosphere. The sound alone would be deafening, heard across the entire continent. From the gaping maw of the caldera, a pyroclastic flow would explode outwards. This isn't lava. It's a superheated hurricane of ash, rock, and gas, moving at supersonic speeds. It would incinerate everything for 100 miles in every direction. Nothing could survive it. Next would come the ash. A colossal mushroom-shaped cloud would rise 30 miles into the sky. Then, carried by the winds, it would begin its journey across the United States. Cities hundreds of miles away, like Denver and Salt Lake City, would be buried under several feet of it. The weight of the ash would cause roofs to collapse. Its fine, glassy particles would clog any engine, shutting down all transportation. The grid would fail as Transformers short out, like day would turn into a murky, toxic night. The fact that a single eruption could plunge an entire country into darkness is a terrifying demonstration of nature's power. If you agree, let the algorithm know that you respect the power of our planet by hitting that like button. But the mind-blowing climax isn't the eruption itself. It's the aftermath, a volcanic winter. The sheer volume of ash and sulfur dioxide blasted into the stratosphere would create a blanket around the Earth. This blanket would reflect sunlight back into space. Global temperatures would plummet by 10 to 20 degrees. Monsoons would fail. Crops would die in the fields worldwide, leading to a global famine on a scale humanity has never seen. The eruption at Yellowstone wouldn't just be an American disaster, it would be an extinction-level event for the entire world. This terrifying scenario connects back to humanity with a sobering lesson. We build cities, we create technology, we feel like masters of our world, but we live on the thin, fragile crust of a planet that is very much alive. Yellowstone is a humbling reminder that there are forces far greater than us. It teaches us that our world is beautiful, powerful, and demands our respect. The destructive power from beneath our feet is terrifying. But what about the dangers that could fall from the sky above? That's a question for another time.